Hey guys, hope you are doing well. So the crypto market is doing well this weekend. So Bitcoin and Ethereum is consolidating and we see few altcoins are pumping. Let's go and check out our favorite charts. But before that, smash those like, push the bell, notification all, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. I'm Mike Denkler from CorionX and we are bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi gems every day to keep you updated and educated. I should state that nothing in this video can be considered as a financial investment or investment advice, so everything just for education and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research and make your decisions based on your research and based on your financial conditions. So thank you guys smashing those like, and it's helping out the YouTube algorithm. So let's go and check out our favorite bubble charts and padam, yes. So you see that Bitcoin and Ethereum is not doing huge movement during the weekend. Also Binance coin is consolidating about $300 but we see Rose, Theta, Rune, Loopring, Atom, Quant, Avalanche, Link are just in green and they are pumping, so it seems that they are breaking out. Let's go and check out our favorite indicator, the crypto fear and greed index. It is at 30, so it's still in the fear zone but not an extreme fear that we witnessed in the past few months. And if we are looking back, we see that the fear is dominating the market since November. So guys, let's go and check out our first news, that Bitcoin price weekend volatility expected with 22,000 level to hold. So Bitcoin and Bitcoin could hit $30,000 if the current daily trend of higher highs and lows continues, or one trader says, as the market avoids weekend losses. So there was not a huge volatility during the weekend, and yeah. So the bear market rally can push BTC about $25,000. There isn't much friction to 26 and $28 range. Losing the trend line would be bad for bullish hopes and dreams. So this is the trend line that we have this on this heat map, and if it would drop below 22,000, then this uptrend would fail for now. And also here are some indicators showing volumes and other things, and also the volume as increasing, and as it's more light, then the higher the volume is. So keeping it simple, the market structure is bullish, and I will stay bullish as long as we are making higher lows and higher highs. Higher lows, higher lows, higher highs. This is the playbook, and not too much pace up to 300,000. Okay, monthly RSI hints BTC price comeback its beginning. We will take a look it on my Twitter feed. So guys, let's go and check out our next news. Crypto trader says Bitcoin flashing bullish signal, updates Ethereum, Solana and optimism forecast. So who is this trader? Altcoin Sherpa. Let's quote, I'm still of the opinion we are going to $28,000 in the midterm, but would like to see more chop around this $22,000 area to form a significant low. The last high of 24,700 wasn't super convincing, to be honest, but still a bullish market structure in my opinion. So higher highs, higher lows, and yeah, so some choppiness can going on around these levels. Okay, so this is still bullish on long time frame charts until shows otherwise. Still eyeing Ethereum closely. I think it leads. Yeah, so Ethereum is leading the market recently. Seems really unclear to me. What's this? Yes, Solana. So Solana seems unclear, I have been out of any active position for Solana for a while now. Lower high followed by higher low, expecting more chop in general. So he expects choppy movement and not a clear direction on Solana. Okay, so the next Ethereum and Bitcoin pair is really strong. Very interesting price action in the midterm. I think that there are some arguments for not holding any BTC going forward. So this is the Bitcoin Ethereum chart. Last in optimism, the layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum. He says that major rally over the past few weeks. He plans to short optimism to hedge against his other more aggressive crypto investment. Shorting this as a hedge for my other stuff. So after this huge run up, he plans to short it. Optimism. OP. Next piece of news is Elon Musk. US past peak inflation after Tesla sells 90% of Bitcoin. Okay. Musk on costs, the trend is down. After recently selling almost all of its 1.5 billion US dollar in BTC holdings, Tesla is seeing the emergence of exactly the kind of economic landscape in which risk assets thrive. Okay, so we sort of have some insight into where prices are headed over time, and the interesting thing that we are seeing now is that most of our commodities, most of the things that go into a Tesla, not all, more than half the prices are trending down in 6 months from now. This could change, obviously, but the trend is down, which suggests that we are past peak inflation. Yeah, so they are seeing that the things that they are buying and building into Tesla, the prices are going down. Raise higher in the second half of 2022. Okay, important, keep in mind, markets know rates are going up is the shock that hurts markets. Okay, job report will come out, yes. Okay, next piece of news is here is how Ethereum and can help Bitcoin raise its dominance level, according to top crypto analyst Benjamin Cohen. So when will BTC dominance level turn around? When will it go back to other way? If I were to just speculate, one of the things I would have to think about are some major events coming up that at which point the narrative could shift, and maybe there could be various re-weights of portfolios. I think one of the biggest things is obviously the merge for Ethereum. There is certainly a lot of momentum behind that right now, and that theoretically is coming up in September, where it transitions from proof of work to proof of stake. I wouldn't be that surprised to see Bitcoin's dominance start to turn back around maybe in September, if it hasn't already by then. And the reason is because, again, you are going into this major event for Ethereum, and it seems like a reasonable place where people might reallocate some of their portfolios. So if I understand right, that he expects that Ethereum will go up in price, and that is why the Bitcoin dominance after the Ethereum merge, when maybe the Ethereum price will be dumped because investors will taking profits, and then the Bitcoin dominance will go up when Ethereum is dumping. But this is just a scenario. Kevin O'Leary details mega opportunity for early crypto investors, says institutional demand for Bitcoin nearly insatiable, or how to pronounce this. The big opportunity, the mega opportunity for Bitcoin, and why I stay long and why I continue to allocate to Bitcoin, is when we get policy and institutions can allocate to it. Sovereign wealth and pension institutions, they will probably put 50 basis points, which is half 1%, up to 1% into Bitcoin, and that where you are going to break out of this range. How high? Nobody knows, because the demand is almost insatiable. Most large institutions want a position in crypto, and that they want the granddaddy crypto. They want Bitcoin, they can't buy it yet. I service these institutions and the sovereign funds with indexing, and they all tell me they want to index for Bitcoin, but they can't buy it. They don't have a policy, they don't have a compliance infrastructure, so we got to get this done. In terms of price appreciation, I believe it will be dramatic. You could have a gap up of 10, 15, 20, 25% overnight, because you have opened up trillions of dollars worth of access to a new asset class. That doesn't happen too often. So the institutions still to come, and they will allocating maybe half or 1 or 2% of their assets under management. Next piece of news is, could Apple join forces with Bitcoin? That's the question. Apple continues to develop its personal finance products. Tim Cook, the CEO of Apple, says he is interested in Bitcoin. Integration with Apple would easily be the most significant milestone in Bitcoin's history. Okay, and also in Apple's personal finance ecosystem, Bitcoin, I think Bitcoin will get some rule there. As also PayPal, Venmo, Blocks, Cash App, they are all integrated with Bitcoin. And also Goldman Sachs, MasterCard, and all other companies already integrated. So let's say Apple took this next step and integrated with Bitcoin. It would be the most significant leap in adoption that the original cryptocurrency has ever received. Cool. Guys, let's go and check out our next news. What will cryptocurrency look like in 2027? Here are 5 predictions. Okay, so some fundamental changes in 5 years. The metaverse will not rise. Why? The metaverse is a hot topic, but most people don't have even the slightest idea of what it actually comprises. The metaverse is a holistic virtual world that exists on an ongoing basis without pauses or resets, works in real time, accommodates any number of users, has its own economy, it's created by the participants themselves, and it's characterized by unprecedented interoperability. Okay. The metaverse will never be able to cater to every need. There is no reason to include some services in the metaverse at all. Okay. The metaverse is going to happen, but I don't think any of the existing corporate attempts to initially create the metaverse are going anywhere. So this is from Vitalik. And wallets will become super apps. So cryptocurrency wallets will become super apps. So some also managing different applications, dApps, DeFi, and NFTs, and games and payments, and a lot of other stuff. Bitcoin will become a unit of account on par with the US dollar or euro. Money has the main rules, acting as a means of payment, as a store of value, and as a unit of account. Many cryptocurrencies, primarily stablecoins, are used as a means of payment. Bitcoin and Ethereum are used as store of value among cryptocurrencies. But the United States dollar remains the main unit of account in the world. Everything is valued in dollar. So this is when we can see some developments in the evolution of money. Sharp drop in the confidence vested in the US dollar and the euro is a prerequisite for cryptocurrencies to take on the role of basic unit of account. At least half of the top 50 cryptocurrencies will see their standing decline. There is a high probability that the list of the cryptocurrencies will radically change. Outright zombies such as Ethereum Classic will be ousted from the list, and the projects that now seems to hold unshakable positions will not only be the throned that may be vanished altogether. So guys, nobody talking about Litecoin. By 5 years ago or 8 years ago, Litecoin was the second largest cryptocurrency. The crypto market will fragment along geographic lines. cryptocurrencies are global but default, but they are not invulnerable to the influence of individual states. The states always has an edge and an extra trick up its sleeve. A number of territories, the US, the European Union, China, Russia, India, have already introduced or are threatening to introduce strict regulation of cryptocurrencies. So we will see different regulations. Next piece of news is MasterCard partners with Binance to roll out new crypto card to this South American country of 47 million. So 47 million citizens in this country, and this is Argentina. Okay, the new product will allow customers to buy goods and services and pay bills using digital assets at more than 90 million MasterCard merchants across the globe. The card converts crypto assets directly into fiat currency at the time of purchase. Okay, so this is a good collaboration, and we see also MasterCard partnering with Coinbase, with NFT marketplaces, BlockFi, FTX, Crypto.com, also Visa is engaged. So this is a good news, adoption news. Next piece of news is Kevin O'Leary says he is doubled down on crypto amid downturn, naming Bitcoin, Ethereum, and free altcoins. Okay, let's quote, we took a hit. We were at 20% of the portfolio, and then it grew up to 23. Then it went down to 16 of the portfolio. It was really volatile, but I have always said you are going to get this volatility in an industry that's not regulated because there is no institutional bid. So probably at the low we were at 15, we lost 40% of the value, and now we have come back up on some projects, and they haven't all come back at the same pace. The big players, the big market cap names like Bitcoin, Ethereum, like Solana, Polygon, and Hedera, HBAR, in some cases we doubled down. We took advantage of the extreme volatility and the large cap names like Ethereum, like Bitcoin. Why not add the position if you are going to stay long? This asset class is not correlated with anything as people thought. It's not correlated with inflation yet. But the real problem, it's really a gauge of where the institutional buyer is. And right now, zero. They have no Bitcoin. Anybody that tells you the institutions of France sovereigns own it, it's full of poo-poo. And also that was a news that we talked about, that he expects institutional will double down. And let's do this. Cool. Next huge news that maybe you already heard about, that Coinbase selected by BlackRock to provide Aladdin clients access to private trading and custody. So Coinbase has played a central role in developing and strengthening crypto markets as the safest. And yeah, so Coinbase is partnering with BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, to provide institutional clients of Aladdin, BlackRock's end-to-end investment management platform, with direct access to crypto, starting with Bitcoin through connectivity with Coinbase Prime. Coinbase Prime will provide crypto trading, custody, prime brokerage, and reporting capabilities to Aladdin's institutional clients base, who are also clients of Coinbase. So guys, BlackRock's institutional clients and financial provider clients will use Coinbase Prime and Coinbase services, and I think this is a huge news, because with this actually BlackRock, the biggest wealth management company, is entering crypto, and BlackRock's clients will access crypto. And also we can talk about some there was some nice mentioning here that BlackRock Pact was a major confidence booster and a much needed positive for Coinbase after a brutal year. Okay, and the idea that institutions need more access to crypto seems far-fetched to us, as any institution that has wanted access could get it through other channels. Cool. And let's quote, speaking at an institutional and international finance meeting, Larry Fink, the chief executive of BlackRock, said in 2017, Bitcoin just shows you how much demand for money laundering there is in the world, that's all it. And now they are saying that particularly in areas that are relevant to our clients, including stablecoins, crypto assets, tokenization, permission blockchain. So now also Fidelity is in the game. So BlackRock, welcome BlackRock on the crypto bandwagon. Okay, so almost the same news. Cool. Sounds pretty awesome. So guys, let's go and yes, check this out. Twin catalyst could send Ethereum soaring 200% according to BitMEX founder. We will talk it about in the next video. Let's go and check out our Twitter feed. Let's go what's happening on Twitter. So guys, you should definitely sign up on Twitter and follow me at MIKLOS Dankler, and also follow Corion platform. And let's go and check what we have here. And I share different technical analysis, news, interesting stuff, and also Corion platform with CorionX doing this. And definitely follow our NFT launchpad project, laserpunk_gods, and give a like and share the bounties and airdrops function, as that will engage the community in free mints and a lot of other stuff. So scenarios of percentage allocation of BlackRock's and assets under management and its impact on Bitcoin price. So check out this. So if BlackRock would just allocate 0.5% of its asset under management into Bitcoin, that would potential future Bitcoin price to go up to almost 100,000 US dollar. And you see the different percentage. Let's say they are allocating 1%, then it would push the Bitcoin price to 173,000 US dollars. So definitely huge. Give a like and share this. So a technology adoption chart that got BlackRock excited about partnership with the Coinbase. No bigger macro opportunity to BlackRock than acting to facilitate Bitcoin adoption. So guys, BlackRock is seeing where the trend is going on, and you see the different technology adoption curve, and you see that Bitcoin is just here. But look at this, look at the internet, look at social media, look at the new things that just going and skyrocketing, and Bitcoin just started to increase in the adoption, means of adoption. Cool. 5% shift in BlackRock's assets in 500 billion US dollar greater than BTC value today. Catalyst for path to 250,000 plus post BTC halving becoming clear. And also check out this. This is from this chart is the Bitcoin relative strength index. This is from Plan B, and you see these are the distance to realized price. So now we are a little bit so that was below the realized price, and now we are above the realized price, and the RSI started so bounced here, and this is a trend reversal. We'll see. So Bitcoin is back above the realized price. Also you can check this on this chart. So the realized price is the black line, and also the 2 years holders is not so far away, around 30,000 US dollar, 33. Trading range to short the highs and longs the lows. So long short at the top and long at the bottom until the trading channel is breaking. As time is changing, belief in Bitcoin and crypto increasing. BlackRock's in 2017 said that called Bitcoin, an index of money laundering, and BlackRock in 2022. The 10 trillion US dollar asset manager will offer Bitcoin trading to institutional clients. Bitcoin is still a tiny fraction of world assets, just 0.4 trillion, unless you see the global equities 110 trillion. How would you feel if you would have bought 10,000 Bitcoin at 25 US dollar back 10 years ago? That was a Bitcoin auction, and 25 US dollar was the price. The internet in 1982 and the internet now. So guys, few lines in 1982, and you see this is where we are now. Bitcoin, the huge bullish phase of fourth great cycle begins. The new Bitcoin cycle models, according to this, you see the coming cycles will push the Bitcoin price and also this trading range higher. Okay, so guys, almost that's it. Let's go and check out our farms. We do have farms on Ethereum and also for the Binance merchant version. So go to Uniswap or PancakeSwap, provide some liquidity and lock up your liquidity pool tokens and earn up a juicy 330% APRs. So just go and check out our farms. And guys, let's go and also join our Telegram channel. You find different crypto related news here and also CorionX related news. So definitely join our Telegram. And also let's take a look on the charts and let's see what's happening here. Yes, so the Bitcoin is doing well, not too many movement during the weekend, but on the daily chart we see this is still a bear flag, but also this is a channel where the price are marking higher highs and higher lows, and this is a good news. But someday it should break even down or up. So if it will break, we will put a short position, we will open a short, or if it will just break up, then we will open a long position. On Bybit you find the link to the Bybit exchange that we use also for spot trading and for leverage trading, but be careful with the leverage trading. And also you can get a deposit bonuses. So if you are depositing your crypto on Bybit, you don't have to trade your deposit, but you will get a bonus and you can start trading with the bonus. And if you are making profit with your bonus, then you can withdraw your bonus. So now we are in this long position. We want to trade it up to the channel, to the upper trend line. So this looks pretty good. Actually, that was a bull flag on the 4-hourly and the 1-hourly, so it broke out, and then we bought in this position somewhere here. Yes, our entry is below 23,000 US dollar. So Ethereum is almost doing the same, but I think Ethereum is really strong now. So Ethereum just pumped to the previous levels of the May and June lows, and now Ethereum is consolidating here, and it's giving some strength to Ethereum, but now TradingView just broke. Okay, so guys, let's go and see if we are back. Yeah, so this is the Ethereum chart, and also Ethereum broke out, and Ethereum reached our target zone at 1700 US dollar levels, and now it's just gaining some momentum, and I think we do have a short position here, just shorting Ethereum from the top to this lower range. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something. Smash those like, push the bell notification, or go to our farms and look up some liquidity, and also join our Telegram and follow us on Twitter. So thank you for watching, thank you for smashing those like. See you in the next video. Bye bye.